Welcome back to Technologias. In this video, I am going to teach you how you can change the wallpaper of your computer. What you should know is that you must have some default wallpaper by the system and additionally list of them in addition. Know that you can also do on any photo that you like. We are going to right click and go to where it says customize, the last option in my case. When we are in costumes, we have the option to choose the imagine, for example, this, or this. Okay, it can be one, it can be this. We can also do with an adjustment from, for example, this for in mosaic and solid color, etc. Okay, the second option to change the wallpaper is go to the carpet, dual-end or descargas, press the photo and click and right click, and we can see the option phone wallpaper, and that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content with us here in Technologies.